Welcome. In this video I will explain how you set up two Ollama instances on a single machine. The most important part is that you have two GPUs installed. So let's check that. So we execute, copy-paste that command and execute it in the terminal window. So here we go. We see we have one NVIDIA RTX A6000 on as GPU ID 0 and one with the GPU ID 1. Then scrolling down in the short tutorial, here we have that command which will open the default Ollama service. When you have Ollama already installed, you have that service here. And I have set some environment variables. So the most important one is that one, telling that Ollama instance that it is running on the GPU with the ID 0, well, with the default port, and that it uses this path to the Ollama models, to the models store. Then we will create a second service with that command. So clear that window and paste that in. So I have already created it. So it's just that stuff from my web page here. Copy paste it. And then the most important part here is to set the GPU ID to 1 and to increment the port that it is running on that this instance is running on a different port. And then, well, let us use this path as well to the model storage. So if you have done that, then with all those changes, we have to reload the service daemon. So with that command, then when you have changed your Ollama service file, then you have to restart the default Ollama client, and then the new one you have at the first step enable it. So with that command, and then also start it with that one, and then let us check if both instances are running. So here we go. We see the first service here is running, active, all good. And here we see the second service running, active, also perfect. Then, well, we have to test it by running one of those already downloaded models. So let's open the two windows here. So first of all, we copy paste that command, and let us start here the overview from our machine. So let us load that model here. So we see that's changing down here. And then as well, the second service in the other window. So where is it? That one. Here we go. So important thing is select the right part and also run Llama 3. Here we go. And then to see that we have the workload on both GPUs, let us ask a question. Why is that sky blue and not red? And also here, why is that sky blue and red? And then kick that off and that one. And now we see that the usage is going up on both GPUs. So here we have that command to check that. So that's it. Now I have, well, running 2 instances on a single machine with 2 GPUs. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I will paste that link into the video description. And if you liked it, press thumbs up, and I'm happy when you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.